Hello, I'm doing lesson 10, which is connecting views with templates. So, in this chapter, we'll cover connecting a templating engine to your application and then passing data from your controllers to your views and then setting up Express.js layouts. So, so now the next step is using your routes to respond with more than single lines of text. Um, So part of what makes Express.js so popular is its liability to work with other packages, tools. Um, One such tool is templating engine. So now the templating allows you to code your views with the ability to insert dynamic data. So now in this book, we'll be writing our views with HTML with EJS. So these are our templating engines. We have masters.js. So without the custom helpers offered by handlebars.js, this templating engine is simply lightweight. So we have handlebars, which functionally similar to EJS. This templating engine focuses on the use of curly braces. We have underscore, and then in addition to other JavaScript functions in libraries, the engine offers templating, which customizable syntax and symbols. And then we have Pug. The Pug, this engine offers syntax similar to Jade in Ruby. So now this is our connecting views with templates. So the starting file represents your index page. The goal of the templating engine is to produce an HTML page. And then the second time the second point is the extension for your EJS templating engine is ej.ejs. This extension, so now it's at first it's engine, secondly it's index. Sorry, first one is index and the second one is index.ejx. So now this extension helps the engine locate only the files it knows how to convert to HTML. So now the templating engine will convert dynamic content into static HTML nodes and elements. So now we have index.html. The result of this process is an HTML page that is viewable by a modern browser. So we would say this started as an index and then became index.ejx. EJS, when it comes out as an HTML. It gets translated or converted to an HTML, which is easy to read for our viewers. So now sample EJS content in your index.ejx view. Define and assign a variable in EJS. So we have let name equals to John, and then our H1 is hello, and then the name. So it's gonna be hello John. So if we create a root with then for the name path, you can think of a name of the controller. Let's see the controllers we have here. We have home controller. So in the home controller .js, the add respond with me function is shown in the next line. Okay. So now, what is passing data from your controllers? So now your templates are rendering. The best way to use them is to pass data from your controllers to your views instead of defining those variables directly in the view. To do so, remove the line in the index.ejs that defines and assigns the name variable. So it removes the name. Okay. So now we are passing a root parameter to your view in the home controller.js. So now we are exporting so we have exports.respond with me, and then we have a request. So now we are assigning a local variable to a request parameter, pass a local variable to a rendered view. So this is basically what we did in chapter 10. So here, hello John, and then this is the footer. So now this is the HTML. It has been translated to the HTML. So in this lesson, we learned how to use templates in your applications with EJS. You also learned how to pass data from your controllers to application views. Okay. So that was our chapter 10.